Merci, M. De Souza. Sur l'amendement, Mme Daniluc, sur la motion d'amendement.
Oui, c'est sur l'amendement. Monsieur le Président, si j'ai bien compris le commentaire de M. De Souza à la fin, que cette question devrait revenir devant nos membres, parce que je dois vous dire, je me sens très mal à l'aise ce soir d'appuyer un amendement lorsqu'on vient juste de voter contre le budget. On a parlé des priorités, et puis là, out of all of this, on va avancer un amendement qui dit on va dépasser le 12 millions par année. Je m'excuse. Et en plus de ça, je suis la marraine d'une longue période de temps où on avait un moratoire à la communauté urbaine et pour des bonnes raisons, parce qu'à l'époque aussi, on n'avait pas de l'argent et nos contribuables avaient une période très difficile à l'époque comme on a eu cette année. Fait que je ne veux pas appuyer l'amendement qui est proposé.
D'accord. Vous voulez reparler en réplique sur votre motion d'amendement?
Je n'aime pas le mot en réplique parce que ça va dire que quelqu'un d'autre ne peut pas parler, mais je crois que je suis la dernière. I just wanted to respond to Mayor De Souza in terms of this specific issue. I appreciate the commitment that has been publicly made on behalf of the administration. I understand the rationale that you have given. However, given, I think, a relatively important group of people have come out and said, why isn't it a specific line item? We know that it's truly a transfer from one line item to the other. It essentially changes nothing, except makes a number of people happy that they see something in black and white where the City of Montreal is already indicating that the amount is in the budget in any case in this amount. Why can we not transfer it? And once again, I appreciate what you said. I had previously indicated twice that I would be willing to change the 15,006 number to 12 million because I understand the rationale. That's fine. But I'm not clear on why, given that it's simply a transfer, the City of Montreal Council adopted a budget. You indicated to them that this amount was in the budget in this amount. It's simply transferring something from one line to another line. How voting in favor of this amendment would in any way contradict the spirit of the vote of the Montreal Council last night, I can't see how it would. So I'm just asking you, I'm saying there's a lot of people out there that would like to see it. I'd like to see it, and I know that many people who care about the environment would like to see it. I also know that there's absolutely no obligation just because something is in a PTI to actually spend the money. That's fully understood. But why can't that line item just be there? I'm just asking you once again to reconsider.
Merci beaucoup, M. Housefather. Je pense, M. le maire?
Yes. It wasn't there for the reasons that Mrs. Daniluc is saying very clearly. We did not, the intent was not to do it. We had $21 million for our parks, green space, les grands parcs, les espaces verts. I met the coalition. And at the last minute, we decided to put it there. Okay? But we have to be fair to everyone. I can't say to a lot of stakeholders that we have a pool and this is what we're going to do, and do what you want to do. What they want to see it black and white because they don't trust us. And I told them that very specifically last night. I said, when they came to City Council, I said, look at what we've done in the past for the past 3 years after the moratorium, and I understand why it was done. We've done it, and we're close to the 6%. And now you're telling me you don't trust us? I said it's going to stay like that. You're going to have to trust us because we're partners. We want to do it. It's a commitment. It's written black and white, but we have commitments to others. And before we decide on everything, I don't want to start saying, yes, these are going to happen and the other thing's not going to happen. It's going to happen, and I told them that, last night. So I fully agree with Mrs. Daniluc that we're going to vote against the amendment for that reason. Not because we're not going to do it. And say to Dida Burcu, okay, say it very clearly, because you're doing this because Dida Burcu, she came to City Council to ask us to do this, and we said no. So you're a partner with Dida, tell her that to trust us, that we want to do it, but we're not going to write in the 3 columns to say 12, 12, 12. She's just going to have to work with us in the best interest of the green spaces.
Merci, M. le maire. Alors, on peut mettre aux voix l'amendement de M. Housefather. Quels sont ceux... À main levée? Alors, quels sont ceux qui sont en faveur de l'amendement? Ceux qui sont contre? Ça va? Alors, bien sûr, l'amendement est rejeté, mais je n'ai pas les chiffres exacts de...
Monsieur le Président, est-ce que je comprends qu'on est rendu à l'article 30.03?